Hello students, welcome to RG Studio. My name is Rahul. I am a teacher. In this video, I will give you information regarding sample paper for the preparation of Master of Public Health MPH and Master of Hospital Administration entrance exams. This is sample paper 7 for 2024, Master of Public Health and Master of Hospital Administration entrance exams for various university and institutes like JIPMER, NIMHANS, Common University Entrance Test, CUET PG, एम्स रायपुर, एम्स ऋषिकेश, एम्स जोधपुर, ICMR भुवनेश्वर, IIPH, पंजाब यूनिवर्सिटी, लखनऊ यूनिवर्सिटी, पुणे यूनिवर्सिटी, क्रिश्चियन मेडिकल कॉलेज वेल्लूर, राजस्थान यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ हेल्थ साइंसेज जयपुर, and for all other university and institute which conducts MPH, MHA and other competitive exams, and students who are preparing for various university and institutes, public health, hospital administration and other competitive exams. And for this, if they want online or offline coaching and want important questions PDF note, they can WhatsApp on 9411513974. So for online or offline coaching and important questions PDF notes, WhatsApp number is 9411513974. And for the preparation of competitive exams, there is a WhatsApp group which link you will get in description box. Kindly subscribe to the channel so that you can get the information for important videos and get the information for various admissions and jobs. Kindly like, share and comment this video. So here first question is, the branch of biology which involves the study of immune systems in all organisms is called? The branch of biology, what is the name of the branch of biology which involves the study of immune systems in all organisms? Is called, options are zoology, microbiology, immunology, biotechnology. Correct answer is immunology. So branch of biology which involves the study of immune systems in all organisms is called immunology. Immunology is the branch of biology which involves the study of immune systems in all organisms. So the branch of biology that involves the study of immune systems in all organisms is immunology. Its explanation is, immunology is a branch of biology that covers the study of immune systems in all organisms. Immunology charts, measures and contextualizes the psychological functioning of the immune system in states of both health and diseases, malfunctions of the immune system in immunological disorders. So immunology is the branch of biology which involves the study of immune systems in all organisms. Next question, second, in which year NRHM, that is National Rural Health Mission. So in which year NRHM was launched in India? In which year National Rural Health Mission NRHM was launched in India? Options are 2005, 2008, 2004, 2007. Correct answer is 2005. So in 2005, National Rural Health Mission NRHM was launched in India. National Rural Health Mission NRHM was launched in India in 2005. Its explanation is, the National Rural Health Mission NRHM, now under National Health Mission, is an initiative undertaken by the Government of India to address the health needs of underserved rural areas. Launched on 12th April 2005 by then Indian Prime Minister Manmohan Singh, the National Rural Health Mission NRHM was initially tasked with addressing the health needs of 18 states that had been identified as having weak public health indicators. So National Rural Health Mission NRHM was launched in India in 2005. Next question is, which of the following immunity is obtained during a lifetime? Which of the following immunity is obtained during a lifetime? Options are acquired immunity, active immunity, passive immunity, none of the above. Correct answer is acquired immunity. Acquired immunity is obtained during a lifetime. So acquired immunity is the immunity that is obtained during a lifetime. Its explanation is, adaptive or acquired immunity is the active component of the host immune response mediated by antigen-specific lymphocytes. Unlike the innate immunity, the acquired immunity is highly specific to a particular pathogen, including the development of immunological memory. Next question is, NFHS stands for? NFHS stands for, options are National Full Health Status, National Family Health Survey, National Family Health Status, none of these. Correct answer is option B, National Family Health Survey. So NFHS stands for National Family Health Survey. NFHS full form is National Family Health Survey. Its explanation is the National Family Health Survey NFHS is a large scale multi-round survey conducted in a representative sample of households throughout India. 3 rounds of the survey have been conducted since the first survey in 1992-93. Next question is question number 5. National Population Policy of India was enacted in which year? National Population Policy of India was enacted in which year? Options are 2001, 2005, 2012, 2000. Correct answer is 2000. So National Population Policy of India was enacted in 2000. In year 2000, National Population Policy of India was enacted. Its explanation is National Population Policy of India was formulated in the year 2000 with the long-term objective of achieving a stable population by 2045 at a level consistent with the requirements of sustainable economic growth, social development and environmental protection. So National Population Policy of India was enacted in 2000, year 2000. Next question is how many types of antibodies are there? How many types of antibodies are there? Options are 5, 3, 2, 4. Correct answer is 5. So 5 types of antibodies are there. 5 types of antibodies are there. Its explanation is an antibody AB, short form, also known as an immunoglobulin Ig. So short form for immunoglobulin is Ig, is a large Y-shaped protein used by the immune system to identify and neutralize foreign objects such as pathogenic bacteria and viruses. So an antibody AB, also known as an immunoglobulin Ig, is a large Y-shaped protein used by the immune system to identify and neutralize foreign objects such as pathogenic bacteria and viruses. Antibodies can come in different varieties known as isotypes or classes. In placental mammals, there are 5 antibody classes known as IgA, that is immunoglobulin amino N antibody, IgD, that is immunoglobulin D N antibody, IgE, that is immunoglobulin E N antibody, IgG, that is immunoglobulin G N antibody, and IgM, that is immunoglobulin M N antibody. So 5 types of antibodies are there. Next question is question 7. Which of the following cells is involved in cell mediated immunity? Which of the following cells is involved in cell mediated immunity? Options are leukemia, T cells, mast cells, thrombocytes. Correct answer is T cells. So T cell is involved in cell mediated immunity. T cells is involved in cell mediated immunity. Its explanation is T cell, also called T lymphocyte, types of leukocyte, white blood cell, that is an essential part of the immune system. T cells are one of the 2 primary types of lymphocytes, B cells being the second type that determine the specificity of immune response to antigens, foreign substances in the body. Next question number 8. In which year National Health Policy in India was implemented? In which year National Health Policy in India was implemented? Options are 2002, 2001, 2007, 2013. Correct answer is 2002. So in year 2002, National Health Policy in India was implemented. National Health Policy in India was implemented in the year 2002. Its explanation is population policy thrust. The National Health Policy of 1983 and the National Health Policy of 2002 have served well in guiding the approach for the health sector in the 5-year plans. The current context has, however, changed in 4 major ways. First, the health priorities are changing. Next question is NRHM covers, National Rural Health Mission. NRHM covers, options are A. Improve accessibility to quality health care for the rural population. B. Bridge gaps in health care. C. Facilitate decentralized planning in the health sector. D. All the above. Correct answer is all the above. So National Rural Health Mission covers, all the options are correct, that is improve accessibility to quality health care for the rural population, bridge gaps in health care, facilitate decentralized planning in the health sector. All these options are correct. Its explanation is National Rural Health Mission NRHM seeks to provide equitable, affordable and quality health care to the rural population, especially the vulnerable groups. Under the NRHM, the Empowered Action Group EAG states as well as northeastern states Jammu and Kashmir and Himachal Pradesh have been given special focus. Next question is, which of the following protects our body against disease causing pathogens? Which of the following protects our body against disease causing pathogens? Options are A. Respiratory system, B. Immune system, C. Digestive system, D. Respiratory system. Correct answer is immune system. So here question is, which of the following protects our body against disease causing pathogens? Correct answer is immune system. Immune system protects our body against disease causing pathogens. So immune system protects our body against disease causing pathogens. Its explanation is the immune system is a network of biological processes that protects an organism from diseases. It detects and responds to a wide variety of pathogens, from viruses to parasitic worms as well as cancer cells and objects such as wood splinters, distinguishing them from the organism's own healthy tissue. Next question is, hepatitis is an example of. Hepatitis is an example of. Options are subunit vaccine, killer vaccine, toxoids vaccine, recombinant vaccine. So correct answer is option D, recombinant vaccine. Hepatitis is an example of recombinant vaccine. So hepatitis is an example of recombinant vaccine. Its explanation is recombinant influenza flu vaccines are produced using recombinant technology. This method does not require an egg-grown vaccine virus and does not use chicken eggs in the production process. Currently, the recombinant flu vaccine and the cell culture-based flu vaccine are the only egg-free flu vaccines licensed for use in the United States. Next question is 12. Which of the following statement is true about the IgM, that is immunoglobulin M, an antibody of humans? So which of the following statements is true about the IgM, that is immunoglobulin M, an antibody of humans? So options are IgM can cross the placenta, IgM can protect the mucosal surface, IgM is produced by high affinity plasma cells, IgM is primarily restricted in the circulation. Correct answer is IgM is primarily restricted in the circulation. So here question is, which of the following statement is true about the IgM of humans? So correct answer is option D, that is IgM, that is immunoglobulin M, an antibody is primarily restricted in the circulation. So immunoglobulin M, an antibody is primarily restricted in the circulation. These options, this statement is true about the immunoglobulin M, an antibody of humans. Its explanation is immunoglobulin M, IgM, is one of several isotypes of antibody, also known as immunoglobulin, that are produced by vertebrates. Immunoglobulin M is the largest antibody and it is the first antibody to appear in the response to initial exposure to an antigen. Next question is 13. Interferons are. What are interferons? Interferons are, options are cytokine barriers, B. physical barriers, C. cellular barriers, D. physiological barriers. Correct answer is option A, cytokine barriers. So interferons are cytokine barriers. Interferons are cytokine barriers. Its explanation is interferons are a group of signaling proteins made and released by host cell in response to the presence of several viruses. In a typical scenario, a virus infected cell will release interferons, causing nearby cells to heighten their antiviral defenses. Next question is National Rural Health Mission NRHM seeks to strengthen. National Rural Health Mission NRHM seeks to strengthen. Options are A. Private health care system, B. Public and private health care system, C. Public health care system, D. None of these. Correct answer is option C. Public health care system. So National Rural Health Mission NRHM seeks to strengthen public health care system. Its explanation is public health system across nations is a conglomeration of all organized activities that prevent disease, prolong life and promote health and efficiency of its people. Indian healthcare system has been historically dominated by provisioning of medical care and neglected public health. 11.9% of all maternal deaths and 18% of all infant mortality in the world occurs in India, ranking it the highest in the world. Next question is RCH, that is RCH stands for, what is the full form of RCH? Options are A. Reproductive and child health, B. Reproductive child health, C. Researching child household, D. None of these. So correct answer is option A, that is reproductive and child health. So RCH stands for reproductive and child health. Full form of RCH is reproductive and child health. Its explanation is reproductive and child health RCH, reproductive and child health programs RCH, Mizoram A introduction. Health and Family Welfare Program started in India in 1951 with the National Family Planning Program. The Family Planning Program focused mainly on terminal methods with a view to control over population growth. So RCH stands for, full form of RCH is reproductive and child health. So full form of RCH is reproductive and child health. Next question is question number 16. So here question number 16 is, which of the following cells of the immune system do not perform phagocytosis? Which of the following cells of the immune system do not perform phagocytosis? Options are A. Macrophage, B. Neutrophil, C. Eosinophil, D. Basophil. Correct answer is option D. Basophil. So basophil cells of the immune system do not perform phagocytosis. Basophil cells of the immune system do not perform phagocytosis. Its explanation is phagocytosis, to eat, and cytose cell is the process by which a cell uses its plasma membrane to engulf a large particle, giving rise to an internal compartment called the phagosome. It is one type of endocytosis. A cell that performs phagocytosis is called a phagocyte. Next question is 17. Monocytes differentiate into which kind of phagocytic cells? Monocytes differentiate into which kind of phagocytic cells? Options are A. Neutrophil, B. B cells, C. Macrophage, D. T cell. Correct answer is option C. Macrophage. Monocytes differentiate into which kind of phagocytic cells? Correct answer is macrophage. So monocytes differentiate into macrophage kind of phagocytic cells. Its explanation is macrophage M1 phenotype is characterized by increased secretion of pro-inflammatory cytokines and increased glycolytic activities essential for clearance of infection. Leishmaniasis upon phagocytosis by a macrophage. The Leishmania parasite finds itself in a phagocytic vacuole. Next question 18. Reproductive and child health was launched in which year? Reproductive and child health was launched in which year? Options are A. 1992 to 93, B. 1997 to 98, C. 2005 to 2006, D. 2012 to 2013. Correct answer is option B. 1997 to 1998. Reproductive and child health was launched in 1997-98. So reproductive and child health was launched in year 1997 to 98. Its explanation is RCH, that is reproductive and child health. Reproductive and child health RCH is an acronym for reproductive and child health. It is a program that aims at combating and reducing the mortality rates of mothers, infants and children, and was launched in October 1997. Next question 19. QALY quali means options are A. Quality adjusted life year, B. Quantity adjusted life year, C. Quality accredited long youth, D. None of these. Correct answer is option A. Quality adjusted life year. So QALY quali means quality adjusted life year. So QALY quali means quality adjusted life year. Its explanation is the quality adjusted life year or quality adjusted life year QALY is a generic measure of disease burden including both the quality and the quantity of life lived. It is used in economic evaluation to assess the value of medical interventions. Next question is 20. Externality refers to options are A. Third party effect, B. Inclusive growth, C. Social exclusion, D. None of these. Correct answer is option A. Third party effect. So externality refers to third party effect. Externality refers to third party effect. Its explanation is a side effect or consequence of an industrial or commercial activity that affects other parties without this being reflected in the cost of the goods or services involved, such as the pollination of surrounding crops by bees kept for honey. So externality refers to third party effect. In this video, information regarding sample paper for 2024 Master of Public Health and Master of Hospital Administration entrance exam has been given for this year and coming year, like JIPMET, NIMHANS, CUET, PG, AIMS Rishikesh, AIMS Raipur, AIMS Jodhpur, ICMR, IIPS, Punjab University, Pune University, Lucknow University, and for all other university and institutes which conducts MPH, MHA and other competitive exams, and students who are preparing for various university and institutes, public health, hospital administration and other competitive exams. And for this, if they want online or offline coaching and important questions PDF note, they can WhatsApp on 9411513974. So for online or offline coaching and important questions PDF notes, WhatsApp number is 9411513974. And for the preparation of competitive exams, there is a WhatsApp group which link you will get in description box. Kindly subscribe to the channel so that you can get the information for important videos and get the information for various admissions and jobs. Kindly like, share and comment this video. Thanks for watching this video.